Good day, future nurses. The positive qualities and values of a community health nurse are essential in delivering effective, compassionate, and culturally sensitive care to individuals, families, and communities. These qualities reflect the nurse's commitment to promoting health, preventing disease, and fostering community well-being by upholding strong personal attributes, professional competencies, and ethical values. Community health nurses build trust, encourage participations, and serve as a vital partners in achieving healthier communities. Our topic for today, it focuses on the positive qualities and values of a community health nurse. Community health nursing is a special branch of nursing dedicated to promoting, protecting, and preserving the health of individuals, families, and entire communities. Unlike hospital-based nurses who provide care in clinical settings, community health nurses work directly within the communities they serve, whether in homes, schools, barangays, or rural health units, to assess health needs and plans, implement interventions, and evaluate outcomes. To carry out these responsibilities effectively, CHN must demonstrate not only technical expertise and professional competence, but also possess strong personal attributes and core values such as compassion, integrity, cultural sensitivity, and a deep sense of public service. These traits are vital in building trust, fostering community participations, and ensuring that health programs are both accepted and sustainable. As a frontliner of primary healthcare, community health nurses combine scientific knowledge with humanistic care, ensuring that health promotions, disease preventions, and wellness efforts are delivered with empathy, respect, and a steadfast commitment to equity and social justice. Understanding and developing the positive qualities and values of a community health nurse are crucial because these attributes serve as the foundations of effective and ethical community health practice. Working in diverse communities, nurses often encounter challenges such as poverty, cultural differences, limited resources, and complex health behavior. By embodying values like compassion, adaptability and respect, accountability and teamwork, CHNs can address these challenges with sensitivity and integrity. These traits are consistent with the Philippine Code of Ethics for Nurses, which upholds principle of moral integrity, social responsibility, and service to humanity. Strengthening these values not only enhances the nurses' professional competence, but also prepares them to be culturally competent, empathetic, and proactive leaders in community health. Ultimately, these qualities enables nurses to build community trust, lead to effective health initiative, and make a lasting impact on both national and global health goals. A community health nurse must embody several personal attributes that enhance their ability to provide holistic and compassionate care. Being compassionate means showing genuine concern for well-being of individuals and families, especially those facing hardship or illness. Empathy allows the nurse to understand and connect with the feelings and experiences of others, fostering trust and emotional support. Patience is essential when working with clients from diverse backgrounds as it enables the nurse to handle challenges calmly and effectively. Being honest and trustworthy ensures that all actions and communications upholds ethical and moral standards, reinforcing professional integrity. Lastly, respectful attitude toward cultural, social, and individual differences promotes inclusivity and strengthens relationship within the community. Key elements in achieving effective person-centered care. A community health nurse must also demonstrate strong professional competencies that enables effective service delivery in diverse and often challenging environment. Being adaptable allows the nurse to adjust seemingly to various community setting and changing health condition, ensuring continuous and responsive care. Emotional stability is a vital managing stress and maintaining composure when faced with difficult or high-pressured situations. A dedicated nurses show unwavering commitment to public service and engage in lifelong learning to enhance skills and knowledge. Cultural sensitivity enables the nurse to recognize respect and integrate cultural beliefs and practices into the healthcare delivery, ensuring that services are both acceptable and effective. Finally, being team-oriented foster collaboration with other health professionals, local leaders, and community members, strengthening partnerships that are essential for achieving shared health goals. In addition, To personal and professional attributes, a community health nurse must possess essential technical competence to deliver quality and evidence-based care. Clinical competence ensure provision of safe, effective, and appropriate nursing intervention within the community settings. Strong health education skills enable the nurse to promote health awareness and encourage positive lifestyle behavior among individuals and families. Effective communication skills are vital for conveying health information clearly and fostering understanding across different audiences. Leadership and management abilities allow the nurse to coordinate community health programs, organize resources, and supervise health teams efficiently. Lastly, research and analytical skills empower the nurse to apply evidence-based practice, evaluate program effectiveness, and continuously improve health outcomes for the communities they serve. A community health nurse also demonstrates a strong sense of professional responsibility and leadership through advanced competencies and ethical practice. Advocacy is the central to their role as they protect the rights, dignity, and well-being of individuals and communities, especially the vulnerable. They engage in program planning and evaluations, designing, implementing, and assessing community health initiatives to ensure effective and sustainability. Through collaborations, CHN builds strong partnership with government agencies, non-government organizations, and community groups to maximize resources and impact. Ethical decision-making guides their actions, ensuring that care is delivered according to professional standards and moral principles. Lastly, a commitment to continuous professional growth allowed them to update their knowledge, refine skills, and adapt to emerging health trends, ensuring that their service remains relevant, competent, and compassionate. To further enhance the positive qualities and values of community health nurses, several strategies can be implemented. Nursing education should strengthen values and formations through comprehensive ethic courses and community immersion programs that expose students to real-world public health settings. Continuous professional development programs must focus on community health leadership, communications, and cultural competence to ensure nurses are well equipped to address evolving communities' needs. Mentorship and role modeling by experienced community health nurses can guide younger professionals in applying values-based care and fostering professional growth. Additionally, encouraging reflective practice allows nurses to regularly assess their attitudes, behavior, and performance, helping them continually improve both their personal and professional attributes in the service of the community. To sustain and strengthen the positive qualities and values of community health nurses, it is important to implement supportive and empowering strategies. Interprofessional collaboration should be encouraged to promote teamwork, shared responsibility, and holistic care within community health programs. The mental health and well-being of nurses must be prioritized to help them maintain empathy, resilience, and motivations in their work. Recognition and reward system at a local national levels can inspire excellence and acknowledge exemplary contributions to the public. Embracing technology and innovations can enhance communications, health educations, and the delivery of community-based services. Building strong community partnership, foster trust, and encourage active participation in health initiatives. And finally, advocating for policies that empowers nurses and improve working conditions to ensure a supportive environment where community health nurses can thrive personally and professionally. So that's it for our positive qualities and values of a community health nurses. Thank you, everyone.